GRT at the time of this recording is seeing a bit of a breakdown move, and at the time of this recording we have now lost support above the $0.1882, flipping it back into resistance. We have also lost the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, flipping it back into resistance. And all this is playing out after we saw an aggressive bounce to the upside in a move that has now peaked above the $0.2109. And on today's video, I will be discussing the most significant key areas of support that we need to continue holding above, and above all discuss my long-term price prediction analysis. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And for those of you that might want to take a trade, you can check out BitGet, which is my go-to exchange. And you can see that on sign up, you can now claim a welcome pack of up to 6,200 USDT. And all you need for registration is an email address and a phone number. Getting back to the charts, I want to start the video by first giving you a recap of what has been happening from the lows that we made on the 4th of November, when we started a very impulsive movement to the upside, breaking through key areas of resistances in a move that has now peaked above the $0.21. And I believe that impulsive movement to the upside was in a negative count 1. And since there are high chances that we have peaked in this wave 1, whatever we expect next is a bit of a corrective structure in a negative count 2, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of this wave 1, giving me a minimum pullback target area for the second wave between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.78, and that is between the $0.1699 and the $0.1464, the area that I have marked here on the charts. And this is an area that I'm expecting that GRT is going to fully maximize in the next coming hours, and there are high chances that in case we continue seeing this breakdown move, we are finally going to fully maximize the area. The area should also act as support, and as long as we are holding within this area over here, there are high chances that we are going to see a reversal to the upside and get another impulse to the upside in this additive count 3, then expect a wave 4, and then continue pushing even higher in an additive count 5. We also need to have a worst case scenario that can play out in case we get a breakdown move into the area, and maybe at some point we break to the lower side of this target area. If that case scenario plays out, then I will be watching for the last line of support on the Fibonacci's to continue holding, and that is the Fib level 0.88 that lies above the $0.1384. If by any chance we lose that key area on the Fibonacci's, that will be suggesting a more aggressive breakdown move that will easily give us a reset of the lows that we made on the 4th of November. And if by any chance we lose those significant lows, then that will be suggesting an even more bearish case scenario that can easily give us a reset of the bear market lows. And that is better explained using the daily chart. So on the daily chart, I still believe that we got our bear market lows last year and started an impulsive movement to the upside that peaked above the $0.4947 in this additive count 1. Then we started a corrective structure in a larger additive count 2, whose minimum target areas I have marked here on the charts using this blue target area, an area that we have now fully maximized, increasing the likelihood that we have a low in place for this wave 2. And in the next coming days or maybe weeks, we are going to start an impulsive movement to the upside in an additive count 3, then expect a wave 4, and then continue pushing even higher in an additive count 5. But for that movement to play out, we need to continue holding above the Fib level 0.88, which is the last line of support here on the Fibonacci's, and that area lies above the $0.1293. So in the next coming days, in case we get any sudden pullbacks, losing significant key areas of support, we need to see GRT holding above the $0.1293. If by any chance we lose that area on the Fibonacci's, that will be suggesting a total disaster that will easily give us a reset of the bear market lows that we made below the $0.0792, and at that point I will be expecting new bear market lows before we can finally bounce to the upside in a move that maybe could take us to new all-time highs, or maybe never get us to new all-time highs. So that is all I'm expecting here on the GRT chart, on the short term and also on the long term, and let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.